Hello everyone, my name is Sushmita Das. I am from C. Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today's topic is Introduction to Numerical Integration. Introduction to Numerical Integration. So, numerical integration refers to the process of approximating the value of an integral using numerical methods. When an analytical solution is not available for practical, it is a fundamental technique used in various fields including engineering, physics, and finance. Importance of numerical integration. Analytical solution limitations. Many integrals cannot be solved analytical, making numerical techniques essential for approximating their values. Wide applicability. Numerical integration is used in diverse applications from simultaneing physical systems to pricing financial derivatives. Error estimation. Numerical methods allow for the estimation of the error in the approximation, providing a measure of the accuracy of the result. Fundamental concept. Interval of integration. The range over which the integral is evaluated, often denoted as a, b. Subdivision of interval. The integral is approximated by dividing the interval into smaller subintervals and applying a numerical methods to each. Approximation formulas. Numerical integration techniques such as the trapezoidal rule and Simpson's rule provide formulas to estimate the integral value. Trapezoidal rule. Step 1. Divide the interval a, b into a subintervals of equal with each. Step 2. Evaluate the function at the endpoints of each subinterval. Step 3. Approximate the integral as the sum of the areas of as the trapezoid of function values and the subtravel widths. Simpson's rule. Step 1. Divide the interval a, b into an even number of subintervals of equal with each. Step 2. Evaluate the function at the endpoints and midpoints of each subinterval. Approximate an integral as a queen sum of the function values. Endpoints given twist the width of the midpoints. Gaussian quadrature. Optimal accuracy. Gaussian quadrature uses carefully selected points and weights to provide the most accurate integral approximation for a given number of function evaluations. Versatility. The method can be extended to handle various types of integrals, including those with singularities, infinite intervals. Polynomial integrals. Gaussian quadrature is particularly effective for integrals of polynomial functions, as it can exactly integrate polynomial up to a certain degree. Computational efficiency. Gaussian quadrature requires fewer functions evaluations compared to other numerical integration methods for the same level of accuracy. Adaptive integration techniques. Error estimation. Adaptive techniques use errors estimates to dynamically refine the integration interval and improve the approximation accuracy. Subdivision strategies. The interval is divided based on the local behavior of the integral, with more subdivision in region where the function varies repeatedly. Termination criteria. The integration process continues until the error estimate falls below a specified tolerance, ensuring the desired level of projection. Application and case studies. Physics. Calculating energy levels, particle strategies, and thermodynamic properties. Finance. Pricing, financial derivatives, risk analysis, and portfolio optimization. Engineering. Modeling structures, analysis fields dynamics and electromagnetic fields problems. Biology. Simulating biological process and analyze experimental data and modeling ecological system. Thank you.